Good morning and welcome to 2 Minutes with Tui. Kevin Tui here on a Sunday. Happy Mother's Day to all you mothers out there. Today I want to talk about problem solving and people's attitudes towards creative problem solving. And a lot of times that what happens is we don't understand that we choose our attitude. So if something bad happens or we're disappointed, which is two things that are guaranteed in life, you're going to be disappointed and stuff's going to happen. Stuff that is upsetting or difficult is going to happen in your life. And so it's important for you to understand that. And so your attitude going into problem solving is how are you looking at it? How are you perceiving it? What are you choosing what attitude are you choosing to approach the problem with? And many people approach it with negative attitude because everything that happens to them, every valley, every shadow side, every darkness is some sort of affront to them. And what happens is that there's this negative fear or doubt or anger about the situation. And it's hard to solve problems creatively from there. There's all kinds of psychophysiological reasons about the higher cortex and decision making being lodged there, and it can't be accessed through fear and anger. So yeah, it's kind of counterintuitive to say, okay, I'm calmly going to look at the bad stuff that's happening. It's kind of counterintuitive to humans to think that, but it's a way to embrace a problem and challenges and say, okay, what's it trying to teach me? Let me look inside of this issue. Let me look inside of this problem. Did I welcome it? How much are my attitudes responsible for bringing it to myself? Is it my fault? And a lot of times our ego will stop us from admitting that. So it's really important that your attitude that you bring to problem solving is one of, hey, I'm going to embrace this. I'm going to put my arm around this. I'm going to look at it and say, okay, what are you trying to teach me? And not that it's pleasant sometimes. But if you have a passion for life, if you have a vibrancy for life, you understand that it's all a paradox, that there's two sides to every situation. And some of that's going to be negative. And so if you understand that, you can bring an attitude of, I am going to solve this, I'm capable of it. So have a great Mother's Day, moms, dads. Take care of your moms and your wives and your mates, and have a great day. And we'll see you next week with 2 Minutes with Tui. Take care. Bye-bye.